freezing cold in my house where I have to wear jackets 24/7.
What's up? It's your boy Trillaatroy, and we're back at it again with another video. If this is your first time watching me, what's up? How are you? My name is Trillaatroy. This is my channel. Hope you enjoy my content. Go ahead, scroll down, see what else you like from me, and join the Traudians. So make sure you give this video a like, a comment, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe since you're already here. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps me out. But as you can see by that title today, basically what we're going to be doing is just making a little bit of matcha at 2 a.m. and we are going to be reviewing, or not rather reviewing, but I'm just going to show you guys a few of the recent pickups that I bought over the last few weeks. Yeah, without further ado, go ahead and cue the thing. Alright, so as you read by the title, it is like 2 a.m. I don't know why I waited so late, but as you can see, it is 2:36. So it's kind of late, but my sleeping schedule has been a bit mixed up, or rather like out of whack recently. So I mean, this is kind of like the new early for me, sleep. Not gonna lie, probably like me along with the rest of the world probably. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I use to make my matcha. Literally, it's like 3 simple, easy steps. This is the simplest matcha recipe that you'll ever probably find on YouTube. But basically, I use this matcha mix. Also, I use some of this French vanilla syrup, and then I just basically use almond vanilla milk, and that is it. So I know like a lot of times I love going to Chacha Matcha, by the way, but a lot of the times you see like they make the matcha in like a bowl and they pour it into something else. I'm ghetto with it. I got a mason jar, and I'm just gonna do everything in this one thing. So typically what I start off by doing, step number 1, I normally get my mason jar, because I mean, you want to keep with the aesthetic, you have to do that. So you take your mason jar, pour milk in it, however much milk you want. Normally I do that much milk. So once you have your milk in the mason jar, what I do is I take my matcha mix and a little measuring cup, spoon type thing, and I get, this is a teaspoon. Obviously you just follow the directions or whatever matcha you have, but I just take 2 to 3 teaspoons, and I'm almost out if you could see this, but I put it right into that thing. As you can see, I just put the matcha powder right in. Normally I do iced matcha, so I don't really do the boiling hot water type situation. I feel like that's just unnecessary for me, especially because I don't really drink hot matcha. I always drink it iced. So that's that. Then what you want to do is what I do. I pop this open. This is sugar free actually, by the way, too, but like I said, I pour everything all together. So I do like a few splashes of this just for like a little sweetener. You know, why not? And then traditionally, normally I would or not even traditionally, but typically I put honey in this, like 5 drops, like squeezes of honey in this, but I actually ran out of honey, so it's not gonna taste the same as normal. But I just put the top on, and yeah. Then what you want to do is just take your top, screw it on there, and you're gonna mix the matcha up. And you'll see like at the bottom how you have like some of the stuff, so I just make sure that I mix up really good.
Hours later.
But after your matcha is all mixed up, nice and mixed, you should be able to tell by looking through it. Since this is see-through, you taste it. So what I do, take the top off, and you get a little taste. So if you don't like it, add whatever you need to add, make it taste better. But luckily, even without the honey, it still tastes good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cup. Like I said, I already have ice in here already. So I'm just gonna add my matcha to a bigger mason jar. What was I know? So once I've added it to my bigger mason jar, I just literally take my straw, put it in, mix it up so it can have a little nice chill to it, and that's my matcha for 2:53 a.m. Great. So now let's get into these things. Like I said, that was literally the easiest matcha routine you've probably ever saw. So make sure you remember it. Go out, buy the things. Most of the stuff you can find at like Walmart, Target. I'm pretty sure anywhere that sells matcha flavoring, sugar, whatever you want to add in it. Go get it. Try it. If you haven't tried matcha, boy, if you don't, get your life together, please. All right. So as you saw, that was my matcha routine. Matcha. Got it on deck. Now what I'm going to do is basically show you a few of the recent pickups that I got. So I'm going to start and just, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the first thing I got. As you can see, it's this diesel bag. Kind of like a tote. Very spacious. You can fit a lot of goodies in here. As you can see, it's pretty decent size. So you can literally use this as like a weekend bag, as a grocery store bag, as a regular walking around the city type day bag, or any type of bag you want to use it as, since it is like pretty big. I really like it. It didn't like really specify. I thought it had a zipper on it, like so you could close it, but I mean I still like it. Or you can always DIY the bag and add a little button to it if you wanted to, but this is very sturdy, and I feel like I would get a lot of great wear out of this, so that's why I really like this bag. And I really like the design and everything. Like I said, I feel like it kind of goes with my outfit now, like, you know, a great city walking day bag, and in case you're gonna like go buy a few things or whatever. The next item I got, I'll show you this since it's like already here, is this belt. So I haven't even opened it yet, but it's this belt. Be a traditional YouTuber. I don't know if you can see, but it's like the seatbelt thing. And basically you just put this through and you like weave it through, and it's like a seatbelt belt. That's how I like it, and I feel like it's really cool. It adds an edgier feel to, you know, outfits and things like that, as is the vibe that I really kind of go for. I got this from Motel Rocks, if you want to check it out on their Instagram or their website. And I want to say it was like $18, so it was really cheap actually. But I got this from Motel Rocks. I'll leave everything that I'm showing you, since it's not that much, down in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. The next thing I got is, I should have already had this unwrapped. Apologies. Okay. I feel like this is like an unboxing. I got this. If you know the brand, you know it. But basically I just got like a little pouch wallet type thing. So I got this, which I saw another YouTuber recommend this as an easy like on the go type carry bag that you can like carry it with. Keep the necessities like your keys, your phone, and your wallet, which is literally a lot of the necessities that I always have. If you want to see what I keep in my pockets on a regular daily basis though, especially during this day and age, go ahead and check out that video. I'm going to leave the little iCard up above. But yeah, this is something nice, and I feel like I'll get a lot of use out of this. So this is also something that I got. And then I also got two things. If you watched my vlog, or yeah, like little nature vlog from when I went to the Anna Ruby Falls, I got two t-shirts from their gift store. So I got this shirt, which says that, and it's basically the same design on the back, just bigger, and I really like this comfort color. So I feel like this is a nice add-in to the collection of just like, you know, like loungewear or whatever. And then I also got this sweatshirt, which just says Anna Ruby Falls, Georgia. I fell in love with the color as soon as I saw it. Like this, I don't know, wheat on this like brown print. I feel like it's just super cozy. The material is very nice. I feel like it'll look nice, as you can see, on my skin. So I'm definitely gonna enjoy wearing that when the winter time comes around, or even like when it's like
freezing cold in my house where I have to wear jackets 24/7.
It's gonna come in handy. But like I said, today was a very short video. This is all I have, so I hope you enjoyed watching me make matcha and reviewing / showing you guys a few of the recent pickups that I have. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Remember, if you are new to my channel or if you are existing and you've been watching and you really like my content, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. It would really help out a lot. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come check me out, because your boy Trillaatroy is doing big things over here. We have a lot of new content. I post new content weekly, so make sure you're on the lookout for that. And like I said, I'm going to link everything that I had in the descriptions as far as my recent pickups. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video, so peace out.